My hair does not look, Matt said it too, it does not look as red as, hi vlog, sorry. It does not look as red as it was, so I think I'm gonna get it touched up on Monday. Matt, I found out what I'm gonna do.
With what?
I'm going to look up on Amazon or Google for a case of this wine and keep it in the house. Because he does not like it. He was 6 or 7 beers deep the other weekend. Probably this was the only wine in the house. Yeah, the one night it was like 6 or 7, the other night it was a bit more. Anyway, the point is he was drinking and he did not drink this one because he did not like it. Wow, look at it. Hey vlog, so on the agenda today, I will be going to golf. And by golf, I'm going to be having a few beverages while Matt plays. But it is 3 couples. I'm pretty sure none of the girls are going to be golfing, but Sammy like does golf occasionally, so I don't know if she is. I personally just don't have the patience to go like a full 18 whatever the hells. Do you know how long that would take for 6 people too? Like putt-putt for 4 people took so long. And that's not even 18 holes. What does Matt want? Damn, it stopped recording when he told me, but they don't have White Claws at the golf course, which sucks because they bought alcohol there that they could just replenish with the alcohol they brought to act like they bought it from there. And since they don't sell White Claws, I'm screwed. So now I don't know what I'm gonna do. I hope Matt bought, you know Matt, he probably bought like a 40 pack of something. But I just hope it's not Busch Light. I can't do Busch Light. I hope he got Miller. I can drink Miller. Anyway, that's my struggle of today. Thank you for coming.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie.
Let's go!
I suggested this because I thought the girls would be able to hang while the guys were golfing. And I'm like, we're all miles away from each other right now. This sucks. I suggested the girls come because I thought we'd be able to hang out in between. I didn't realize
You can every once in a while.
I didn't realize this was gonna be the result.
Well, when me and all the guys start hitting together, it will be. We've gone through 3 holes. Look, they'll all be here now. When we tee off, you all are together.
Yeah, it's like 2 seconds of the whole time, though.
I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue.
The next morning.
Hello, vlog. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long on my actual camera. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things and like actually vlogging because I'm just too in my head about it because I haven't in so long. But you know what? We're gonna do it. First on the agenda today, I want to hang up these. I also want to hang up these letters with our names and stuff. It just honestly seems like such a task that I don't want to do. I also need to hang shelves today. I just don't want to do it. And I know it will literally take like an hour and I'll feel so proud of myself that I did stuff today. I just don't want to. Oh, I can't get over that. You've never looked better. Carlizzle. Carlizzle boy. Oh. What did you do to her? I'm sweating my balls off, so I changed. But this is what it looks like. I think that's a cute little area now, like connecting all the rooms. I'm happy I got this off of my things to do because I've been wanting to do this for months. And I kid you not, it took me less than 20 minutes. So I'm very annoying that I've been putting it off for so long. It's like perfect at eye level too. I love it, it looks so good there. The only thing left on my to-do list, which I am going to do because now I feel like I'm on a roll, why the fuck not, you know, is hang the shelves right here. I'm gonna hang shelves. Ooh, guys, I haven't told you. I have officially found my spring and summer scent. Thank you, thank you. We've been trying for literally like a month and a half now. It is called, this is the one I got, Ralph Lauren Blue. Apparently it's sold out all the time. People can never find it. I go to my store, they had one left and they did not have any testers out. So you know what I did? I took a chance on it. It does last a long time. And that was my biggest thing because the other ones did not last long. The Daisy one that I was using, it did not last for crap. That took 14 minutes too. I fucking made all of this way bigger in my head than it needed to be. I am now done with over here. Look how cute it looks. I got this at the gem show. I got this at a bridal shower and I got that at a bridal shower. But it looks so cute. Anyway, I don't really feel like vlogging. Can you tell? Bye. Hear me out. I know this is going to sound like the most underwhelming thing you've ever heard in your life, but just freaking trust me, okay? I pre-made rice, pre-made meat, and then just frozen vegetables, okay? That's what we got in here. I'm going to add my meat, half of it, because this is 2 patties worth. This is plant-based meat, by the way, if anyone cares. And then this is where the magic is happening, okay? I'm gonna add some shredded cheese because cheese makes everything better. And then to top it off, ranch, honey mustard, then sriracha. Okay, this is what it looks like. All right, that is what it looks like. Wow, astonishing, right? It's freaking amazing, okay? Now you just stir the bitch up. Salivating, like this is so good. I cannot wait to freaking eat this, okay? This is my new meal prep. It's gonna be this and chickpea salad. I like fast, easy, and taste good, okay? And this is it. Taste test, ready? So I went over to my friend Ryan's house and he made this for me as like a pre-game dinner. I swear to God, this is like my new go-to. Like it is so freaking good, so easy. And like, depending on how much of the sauces you add, it could be very good for you too, so.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be.